Hi, this is Grandma Jan. I'm going to read a book that I wrote and I drew the pictures for. And the title of the book is Packing. And my whole name is Jan Miska Keaveny. Look at the pictures on the cover because that will give you a clue what we're packing for. Open that front page and you'll see. We are going to a cabin on a lake. We're so excited. What should we take? We'll pack our suits so we can swim. The first thing we'll do is jump right in. We'll pack our pails and our shovels too. We'll dig a hole to Timbuktu. We'll bring along some toys that float and skis and tubes for behind the boat. We'll need sunscreen during the day, and at dusk, we'll need bug spray. We'll put water bottles in our fanny packs. We'll load our bikes on the bicycle rack. We'll need jackets if the nights get cold, and our PFDs to meet the boating code. We might fish early, and we might fish late. We need to pack rods and reels and bait. In case there's a rainy day, we'll pack cards and puzzles and games to play. We'll bring some books because we love to read. Paper and pencils are things we might need. We'll pack healthy food to eat and good snacks, salty and sweet. We'll sit by the campfire under the moon and listen to the lonely call of the loon. We'll bring the stuff for s'mores along and a guitar for singing songs. And if there's something we forget to take, it won't matter because we'll be at the lake. I hope you like this book, and I hope you get to go to a cabin on a lake. Bye-bye.